Kara, tell me what you're doing this morning.
Well, me and my mom are making pancakes, and I made another dog pancake just like that one right here.
Wow.
I made that one for Mommy, and that one's gonna be for, well, right down here.
What does that say?
You can read it. Well, anyway, there's Caitlin's. And here's mine. I don't want to be videotaped. And there's mine right here. And then that one's for, well, you know.
No, I don't know.
Well, right there and right there. His name's right there.
Well, I can't. The camera can't read that. You read it.
The camera can still read it.
Okay.
Well, I'm writing him a letter like I said last night.
Who?
Blake Shelton.
Oh, okay.
I'm writing him a letter because I'm his fan. And I love his country music. And I was hoping, like I said last night, he could come to one of my birthdays. It's going to be so fun.
Oh. So this is his pancake?
Probably.
Okay.
Not unless I eat it and have a good one.
Okay.